Yeah, working on this generac GP5500 generator. Person had it sitting for a long time. Had the intake valve sick because the intake valve, the generator was sitting with gasoline in it a long time. And this series of generator here from Generac, once you leave it sit for a long time with fuel actually in the tank gonna rust out, one. And two, you're gonna stick the intake valve. So your boy just pull this off. And you got a stick valve. The valve going back in now, but the valve need to pull out and clean up. And this whole thing. See your intake valve here, that valve even needs seating closed properly like the exhaust one. But it really sticking. I gotta pull it out, clean it up. I just use some carburetor cleaner, clean it up, and then torque this head back down, clean out the inner side and everything. And then I could put she back together. So it's pretty much what it is. Fairly new Generac generator too. Person said I'm use it for less than 50 hours. So once I put it back together and it started, post the next video.